Hello, in front of me I've got Nacon Revolution. In this video I'll show you what's in the box. On the first glance we can see this high-end controller. Next we can find USB cable, USB-A to USB-C for wired connection. Next we can find this satellite for wireless connection. Next, we can find this set of weights, so we can adjust the grip of our controller. Next, we can find black envelope with stickers and tutorials. In the end, in the original box, we can find this Nacon case. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.